Next-Generation PFAS-Free Vapour Degreasing Solvents from EnviroTech Europe. Vapour degreasing is one of the most effective and trusted metal and substrate cleaning processes for delivering superior cleaning power, using less energy and requiring minimal floor space. It is widely used in aerospace, electronics, medical device cleaning, precision engineering and related industries. Concerns over the reduction of emissions from volatile organic compounds, global warming and ozone depleting chemicals has led to more research into finding modern critical cleaning solutions that are effective, economical and environmentally sustainable. EnviroTech Europe supply next-generation PFAS-free vapor degreasing solvents like ProSolv 5408E and ProSolv AS-1, both with zero ozone depletion potential and a global warming potential of less than 1. Versatile and efficient for modern cleaning systems, they offer a truly future-proof solution to your critical cleaning process. For the safe removal of organic and synthetic residue and oils from most plastics and metals, compatible with many solvent cleaning systems like one-tank or multi-tank immersion and vapor degreasing tank systems using ultrasonics or flush cleaning. We understand the uniqueness of every precision cleaning application and will work with you to find the right solution for your needs. We also provide free on-site visits, technical support and cleaning trials when required, and can supply a range of vapor degreasing equipment to suit your product. For more information, please visit EnviroTech-Europe.com.